video. Mulat ko.
Nakita mo ba?
Yeah.
You see everything, the last one?
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng mag-overtake, ano?
Supladong umovertake ng gabi.
You better pray.
Pray first.
Hindi ko mahabol ah.
Tingnan mo, ha? Pwede mo bang i-adjust ng lower the ladder?
They set it, have to reset slightly negative. I don't know kung pwede.
Di ba,
The prop is now pointing down. Rated. Now, I don't know kung pwede mo.
Wow! Kawawa si Edward. Dali natin na, Prof.